see if he'll stop.
I don't want to be in the video.
Well, I'll...
What if I could get a paper bag and I put it over my head?
Alright.
Oh, buddy.
He only makes this sound when you're around.